Direct Line Pet Insurance UK app. The pros, the cons. The Direct Line Pet Insurance UK app is designed for UK pet owners who want to manage their coverage quickly and conveniently. Many think it's just a digital policy viewer, but it also allows claims submission, premium management, and real-time coverage tracking. On the pro side, the app gives instant access to policy details, including accident, illness, and optional extras like dental or wellness coverage. Filing claims is simple. You can upload vet bills and supporting documents directly through the app, speeding up processing. Premium payments are easy to manage, with reminders and full billing history. Push notifications alert users to claim updates, policy changes, and upcoming payments. Managing multiple pets under one account is straightforward, which saves time for busy households. On the cons side, offline use is limited and most features require an internet connection. Some users report slower load times for older claims or detailed policy documents. Advanced planning features like cost calculators or multi-pet comparisons are not included, which could be a limitation for some. In conclusion, the Direct Line Pet Insurance UK app is a reliable and convenient tool for managing pet insurance. While it lacks advanced planning features, it excels in claims handling, premium tracking, and policy monitoring. For UK pet owners, this app offers efficiency, clarity, and peace of mind.